Hello, this is the fourth lesson in the Python course, during which we will continue writing short console programs in Python. This time we will introduce another arithmetical symbol, asterisk, that we use for multiplication and for computing powers of numbers. Our program should read the user's numerical input from the terminal and compute a square of given number. During this lesson, we focus on practicing the usage of Python features that we have already learned. We also add a multiplication operator. I am back in the text editor. First, I will define the variable a to store the input number in the memory. For now, let's just assign a hard-coded value, for example 5. In the next line, I use the print function to display the square of a. I provide a times a directly as argument of the function without declaring another variable. I do so because I will be using the square value only once. We have to use asterisk, a symbol that looks like a star, as the multiplication operator. Now, let me go to the console terminal emulator and test the program. It should display the value of 25. The program seems to work correctly. We are supposed to let the user specify the number that should be squared. Let's use the input function with prompt and then convert the string input to a number using the int function. We can also improve the output by adding an informative piece of text at the beginning. In the prompt text, I use caret as the symbol of power. Time to test the modified program. Indeed, the user is asked to type the value of a. We obtain 25 as the result of square and 100 as the square of 10. These are correct results. The program seems to be working fine. Now, we will improve the program by making it more universal. For now, it counts only squares of integer numbers. If, for example, the user provides 1.5 as the input value, believe me, the program will not work. It will show a value error when trying to convert the text representing 1.5 to an integer number. You may try it if you want. So instead of the function int, let's use float and convert the text to a floating point number, which is a numerical approximation of a real number. Another thing will be to count the square by using double-asterisk operator that stands for power of a number. Therefore, a asterisk asterisk 2 means a squared. Now we may test the program and see how it handles floating point numbers. I tested it using various input. You may see that the program works correctly. If you find this video a valuable source, don't hesitate to click the like button and subscribe.